Hey dear friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a newsletter system for your website or application. So this newsletter have two sides. One is for the user side and the other one is for the admin side. So let's start with the user side. So a user came to your website and this is where he can put his email to get newsletter or notification or whatever he wants. You just put this component inside your website. You can put it anywhere. So the user can put his email and click subscribe. Once you click the subscribe, it subscribe him and it show a thank you message. So it means the customer or user email is saved in our table. Now for the admin side, now the admin come to the admin page, and if you go to here, as you can see, a user subscribed to our website. Now many users can come here and subscribe. Let's put another email. So imagine this is another user. I click subscribe. He also subscribed to our newsletter. Now, as an admin, you come here. As you can see, both of them are subscribed. There could be many. There could be hundreds or thousands of email addresses. And now I want to send a newsletter, and it will automatically be sent to all of them at once. So let's say a newsletter test. This is a test newsletter 1, 2, 3. Okay, I want to send this to all of those emails that subscribe to my website. So just by clicking send newsletter, and we get this error, no subscriber found. Why is that? Because this is security protection. First, when a user subscribe, because anybody can come and put someone email address, they have to confirm. So if you go to our email address, as you can see, we received an email for us to confirm the subscription. If we click confirm, now our email is confirmed, and now the admin can use to send newsletter for us. We do the same for our other email. The other email is also subscribed and confirmed. And now we can send notifications. Let's close this one, go back to here, and let's refresh. And now if I say a newsletter test ABC and write a text, and now if I click send newsletter, it's going to send this for all of those emails which are confirmed. And newsletter sent successfully. Now let's check our email address. As you can see, we got this email. This is the exact thing we typed. This is a test newsletter with this subject. Let's check our other email. As you can see, we also got it here. So this application is really useful if you want to get subscription, your users or customers send them newsletter. So how are we going to make it? This time I'm going to show you an easier way. In the previous videos, if you watched, we start building everything from the scratch, but this time I'm going to show you a faster way. So if you go to this link, mysqlpower.net/web apps, you can download this application. Just click source code and it will be downloaded. Or you go to this website, MSP CLI, and this is an application which allows you to download the web applications or themes or plugins from MySQL Power very easily, just by typing a command. If right now I type here MSP, nothing show up. But I'm going to install this one. You can choose Linux, Mac, or Windows. My machine is Windows, so I install this one. Just copy this command, come here, and paste it here. It takes a few seconds. And now it's installed. Okay, let's test it. Just type MSP, and there you go. You have the MSP command line inside your machine. So let's download this newsletter application using this command CLI. So let's go to folder. I go here, just open a terminal, and just type this command. So I'm inside this location, and it will be installed here. Just type MSP -download, because we want to download something and we want to download a web application. So just type web app, and after that the name of this application, and each name will be in my video description. Just press enter. It takes a few moments, and there you go. As you can see, we have the application here. Just extract it. Okay, and there we have it. All you have to do is to go to the system config, and there just put your host name, your database username, password, your database name, your domain. And this is very important because with sending email you can use your hosting SMTP, you can use Gmail SMTP, because I use the Gmail SMTP. This is the Gmail SMTP. You just go to the Google your Gmail account, you go to Google Services and create a web password for your account. If you saw my other video, I show you how you can do this. I put the link in the description. And here you type your email address, and here you type your, not your email password, but the web application password, which is generated by Google, and save this file. And the other thing you have to do is to copy it is SQL and copy everything from here, come to your PHP MyAdmin and paste it here to generate you the table. Once you have done that, you have this. It will be that easily. Application will be inside your system. But of course you need some, because it's built on PHP, to run it. So we didn't touch any code. We built this very fast. So I hope you guys learned something. And if you have any question, just let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.